Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Power of Better. I'm your host, Albert Walters III, the Executive Director of Powering Chicago. What happens when a high-profile Magnificent Mile hotel needs a major facelift? They must hire the best contractor, electrical subcontractor, and union electricians they can find. The renovation work performed by Powering Chicago contractor G&M Electrical to upgrade the lighting and electrical at the Residence Inn by Marriott was stunning and cutting edge. Just a half block from the heart of Michigan Avenue at 101 East Erie, the latest hotel concept is open for business. The Residence Inn by Marriott. Once a Conrad property, it was empty and abandoned during COVID, was sold to Marriott, and 3 years later is reopening after a major renovation. So we don't recognize this Samantha Berman. The day before the soft launch, at the beginning of May 2024, General Manager Tommy Van took a few moments to celebrate the milestone with his new team.
This has been a 3-year journey of going through the processes of removing another chain and bringing Marriott into the picture. It's been a long process, but it's well worth it.
This massive project was led by general contractor Skyline Construction. Their relationship with the building's owner and strength in leading jobs of this scope made them a natural fit.
We were able to be brought on early in the pre-construction process and help Prime Group overall develop a budget to make sure this project was feasible from a developmental side of things.
What we were asked to accomplish was the renovation of the rooms, 289 rooms total. We accomplished that through lots of coordination. There was some challenges throughout the way, including the fact that this is a post-tension cabling building. So very challenging in terms of boring for plumbing, especially some electrical work as well.
That electrical work was expertly completed by Powering Chicago contractor G&M Electrical, which has deep experience in retail and hospitality. Their biggest challenge? Adding kitchenettes to each of the nearly 300 rooms, which meant an additional 2 to 3 circuits per room.
Which, if you add it up, it's hundreds of circuits per floor, which added all types of panels. We were ripping up walls, ripping up ceilings to get all this pipe and wire installed.
G&M also installed ADA code-compliant durable systems, which increased the scope for their project manager, Zach Wise.
My role here was basically facilitating layout and ensuring that what cuts that we had, what drawings were matching per room. That was kind of a challenge, but everything seemed to work out fine. The big thing is coordinating with the other trades as well, because we can get our material, our pipe, our conduit, everything in.
Perhaps the area Wise and his team are most proud of is the 101 Club. The signature bar and restaurant on the ground floor features state-of-the-art LED and Lutron lighting. This enhances the overall dining and drinking experience, according to Brad Alawi, manager of Roanoke Hospitality.
There's a ton of residences around here and buildings around here that live. Just want to make sure that people are feeling comfortable coming here, whether for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, happy hour. We're pretty open. It's very accessible.
Roanoke also runs the 101 bar on the 20th floor and the adjoining breakfast area, making sure the customer experience is priority one. Skyline and Marriott say partnering with G&M Electrical Contractors is a move they are glad that they made and one that they would make again.
I would say G&M did a really great job on this project, and they've been a really awesome trade partner to have.
I would say I'll hire Zach in a heartbeat, and I'll hire G&M in a heartbeat, because not one time did they say it can't be done. And when you encounter companies that fall in line with what your strategy is all about, you want to hold on to them, and they were great.
It's a great space. I'm very happy with the end result, with beautiful restaurant and the rooms as well.
We'd like to thank our valued partners on this project. We couldn't have done it without the folks at Residence Inn by Marriott, the Prime Group, Skyline Construction, Roanoke Hospitality, and G&M Electrical Contractors. For everyone here at The Power of Better, I'm Albert Walters III. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.